Hello everyone, it's me Indra. Welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I am going to solve a particular problem related to the application of the logarithm. Please watch this video till the end so that you will get so much information about the logarithm as well as this particular problem. Uh, Without wasting any further time, let's get started. Here I have taken a problem. It is the application of the logarithm. Here the question is, find the number of the digits in the number 5 raised to the power 2000, and the given that the value of the log with base 10 of the number 2 is given here. Here, we already discussed about the application of the logarithm to calculate the number of the digits in the given number. We can easily calculate the how many numbers of the digits are present in any number by using the concept of the logarithm. We already discussed about that. Let me recall uh, on the topic applications of the logarithm to calculate the number of the digits. Here the number of the digit, let me write here something about the formula. The number of the digits, in a number, the number of the digits in a number, let's say the number be n. Here I have taken a number n, and the number of the digits in the number n is calculated. It has the formula integral part of the logarithm value, the natural common log of that number n, integral part of the this logarithm value plus 1. We have to add extra 1. Please memorize this formula. The number of the digits in a number n is equals to the integral part of the logarithm value. Here the log is taken with the base 10, it is the common log, plus 1. This is the formula to calculate the number of the digits in any number n. Integral part of the logarithmic value of the number plus 1. So here let's move to the question. Here the given number is 5 raised to the power 2000. Let us suppose the given number is a number n. Here we just suppose the n is the given number, 5 raised to the power 2000, and here we have to calculate the number of the digits in this number. So first of all, we have to calculate the logarithmic value of the given number. The log is here taken with base 10. So taking common log with base 10 on both sides. Here we are going to take the common log on the both sides. Then our expressions will be log with base 10 of the n is equals to log with base 10 of the number 5 raised to 2000. Here in this step we just take the common logarithm on the both sides of this equation, and this is equals to log with base 10 of the n. Here I am going to calculate the integral part of this logarithm of the n with base 10, and this can be for the simplified rate. Here the power of the argument comes in the front, so 2000 times log with base 10 of number 5. Here we just use the formula. Let me write the formula here. If the log with base a of number b, which is raised to the power n, this is the formula, n times log with base a of b. Here we just, in this system we just apply this formula, power of the argument, and this can be for the simplified rate. 2000 times the log of 5 with base 10 can be written in terms of the log with the base in terms of the log with the argument 2. Here the log with the argument 2, the value of the log with the argument 2 is given here. Log of 2 is here given, so uh, we cannot calculate directly the log of 5. So converting this log of 5 in terms of log of 2. and the converting process is the number 5 can be written 10 over 2. Here I am going to translate this log of 5 into in terms of log of 2. Here this can be for the simplified as 2000 times, and here we can use the formula of the quotient of the logarithm. This can be written as log with base 10 of the number 10 minus log of 2. Here in this step we just use the formula of the quotient law of the logarithm. Here we just use log of a over b is always equals to log of a minus log of b. Please memorize this basic formula. Let's calculate the value here. 2000 times log with base 10 of the 10 is 1. If the argument and the base of the logarithm are equal, then the result will be 1, minus the log of 2 with base 10 is given. The value of the log of 2 with base 10 is given 0.31301. Let's substitute the value here. This is 0.301, and let's do the calculation here. 2000 times, and this value gives 1 minus this gives 0.699, and if we multiply this number together, then we will get the number this results. The result of this product is 1 3. If we multiply this 2000 times 0.699, then the result will be 1398. This is the product of these two numbers. Here we calculate the value of the log with base 10 of the given number is here calculated 1398. This is the value of this logarithm with base 10 here. But our target is to find the number of the digits in the number n, and we already discussed about the number of the digits in the number n is integral part of the logarithmic value plus 1, and here the number of the digits in the given number is 5 raised to 2000 is here the integral part of the logarithmic value. Here the integral part of the logarithmic value is 1398, and we have to add extra 1, and this is 1399. So the required number of the digits in this number is 1399. This is the final answers of this question. Here we just solve this problem which is related with the logarithm, concept of the logarithm. We can easily calculate the number of the digits present in any number by using the concept of the logarithm. Here we just discuss about that. Please keep watching this channel, keep loving. This much for today. Thank you.